The land is very blessed. This is where we did Rinpoche's Parinirvana ceremony. The elemental beings are pleased. Many prayers were done here. That's why this place is so special. We work with the monks to design a traditional victory stupa. Every step, every part, it's made to its very precise measurements. We chose a combination of stone and metal to create a stupa that will withstand the passing of time. I chose granite because it can withstand the Malaysian weather, the heat, the rain. And Rinpoche liked it very much because it actually lasts for many, many generations. So I chose a vendor from China who has had this experience for hundreds and hundreds of years. So they will be cutting granite stone blocks, and when they arrive here, they will be stacking it without using any cement, without any nails or screws. So the stupa is ready, and we're waiting for the stupa to arrive. There are metal ornaments for the stupa, and we've chosen copper specifically, and it's been made in Nepal. You see, Nepal is world-renowned for its metal craftsmanship. It is currently being done, and as soon as it is completed, we will be sending it for gold plating. The design is extremely ornate and it's traditional. When we opened Rinpoche's Parinirvana stupa, we found hundreds or maybe thousands of tiny white relic pills. They look just like how the Buddhist texts describe them. I've never seen anything like that. So these holy relics will be placed inside the relic stupa. And it's not just Rinpoche's relics that will be inside. We will insert relics of other great lamas, including the 4th Panchen Lama, the 9th Panchen Lama, the previous Pabongka Rinpoche, the previous Trijang Rinpoche, and the previous Song Rinpoche, who was Ten Rinpoche's root teacher. Also in the relic stupa, there are Buddha statues, well vases, relic tatas with Rinpoche's holy remains, hundreds of thousands of rote mantras and other substances. There are many items in the stupa because it is 20 feet high, so it's a powerhouse of blessings. We have done many special prayers here to ensure that the elements are in balance and the nature beings are happy. When we disturb nature, like when we do construction work, it can make them sick. So we created earth treasure vases with the help of the monks. And buried them on the land to heal the elemental beings. That's why the energy here is very good. I'm very honored to be able to participate in this project. It is highly meritorious. It is one of the causes for Rinpoche's return. All of us, including myself, miss our teacher very, very dearly. So it will probably be the best thing and most important thing I've ever built.